Hello everyone, and welcome to TD 202. In this, our first episode of TD 202, we will be introduced to pictorial drawing. Stay tuned. Okay, so in technical drawing, pictorial drawing is the means by which 3D objects are represented. Now, there are three types of pictorial drawings in technical drawing. Or you could say there are three methods by which pictorial drawings can be represented. You have isometric drawing, oblique drawing, and perspective drawing. I am going to go ahead and draw one object, but by using the three different methods that I've just mentioned. So, as you can see, there are three representations of the same object. The first drawing represents the object using isometric projection. The second drawing is an oblique representation of the object. The third object shows the object being represented using perspective drawing. Now let's have a closer look at each. Now, for isometric projection, vertical lines are perceived as vertical, while the horizontal lines are perceived as slopes. This is to give a certain view, or to demonstrate a certain view, right? This is a horizontal line, however, it slopes. Likewise, this line, it slopes. In reality, it is horizontal. In the isometric drawing, it slopes. Now, in isometric drawing, the slope is fixed at 30 degrees. Let's go over to oblique projection. There is also a slope, but only in one direction, right? Vertical lines are always perceived vertically. However, horizontal lines are perceived depending on the direction that you're viewing the object from. Now, as opposed to isometric projection, the drawing style for oblique projection is such that the front face is clearly distinguished. This is the front face of the object, and the reason why you can determine that this is the front face of the object, from a frontal view, the horizontal lines remain, while from a side view, the horizontal lines slope. So this is what you can use to distinguish oblique drawing from a isometric drawing. The isometric drawings, they slope in both directions, while the oblique drawing slope in only one direction. This drawing could have been flipped to slope the other way, right? So it doesn't matter the direction of the slope. If you go over to the perspective drawing, you will realize that the object is more realistic than the other two. It seeks to simulate reality more accurately. For example, there's a vanishing point, and that vanishing point allows for the object to simulate a smaller distance as you go further back. In reality, if we are looking at two identical objects, the closer object will seem bigger while the smaller object will seem smaller. this is exactly what perspective drawing is trying to achieve. So based on the three illustrations on the drawing paper, we should be able to rather clearly distinguish which drawing is which. Now, in future videos, I will narrow in on each drawing, clearly identifying the differences from the other drawings. Additionally, I will clearly identify all the features that contribute to the drawing being in their respective categories. Stay tuned for more videos. Have a good day.